Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, we're diving into the world of boosting self-esteem with the help of artificial intelligence and how mindfulness plays a crucial role in this journey. Firstly, artificial intelligence can be used to personalize self-help content, providing us with tailored resources that cater to our unique needs. By utilizing AI-powered apps and tools, we can receive personalized affirmations, guided meditations, and positive reinforcement that can significantly boost our self-esteem. Secondly, mindfulness practices such as meditation and self-reflection play a vital role in enhancing our self-esteem. By cultivating a greater sense of self-awareness and acceptance, we can learn to quiet our inner critic and build a more loving relationship with ourselves. Mindfulness helps us to recognize negative thought patterns and replace them with positive affirmations, ultimately leading to a more confident and empowered sense of self. Remember, you are worthy of love and acceptance just as you are. Embrace the power of artificial intelligence and mindfulness to boost your self-esteem and shine brightly in this world. You've got this. Uplifting ending sentence.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we are diving into the exciting world of neural networks and how they are revolutionizing the future of discipline transformation. One of the key advancements in neural networks is their ability to adapt and learn from vast amounts of data, making them incredibly powerful tools for innovation. From healthcare to finance, neural networks are transforming industries by analyzing complex patterns and making predictions with unrivaled accuracy. Main story point 1. In education, neural networks are being used to personalize learning experiences and identify areas where students may need additional support. This tailored approach is revolutionizing the way we teach and learn, allowing for more efficient and effective educational outcomes. Main story point 2. In the field of medicine, neural networks are aiding.
Hey there, fellow makers. Are you ready to take your 3D printing skills to the next level? Today, I'm going to share with you some secrets to perfecting your 3D printing confidence. First up, don't be afraid to experiment. Trying out different settings and materials can help you understand how your printer works and what it's capable of. Don't be discouraged by failed prints. Every mistake is a learning opportunity. Next, practice makes perfect. The more you print, the more comfortable you'll become with the process. Start with simple designs and gradually work your way up to more complex projects. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. So there you have it, my friends. By experimenting and practicing regularly, you'll build your confidence and become a 3D printing pro in no time. Embrace the journey and enjoy the process. Uplifting ending.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of machine learning and exploring the surprising areas it's revolutionizing. First up, machine learning is transforming the manufacturing industry. With the ability to predict maintenance needs and optimize production processes, machines equipped with AI are increasing efficiency and reducing downtime like never before. Next, let's talk about healthcare. Machine learning algorithms are being utilized to analyze medical imaging, diagnose diseases, and even personalize treatment plans. This groundbreaking technology is revolutionizing the way we approach healthcare and improving patient outcomes worldwide. From manufacturing to healthcare and beyond, machine learning is reshaping industries and pushing boundaries. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the future, keep an eye on the incredible advancements being made in the world of AI. Remember, The possibilities are endless when it comes to machine learning. Stay curious and keep exploring.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence and how mastering your mindset can lead to success in this ever-evolving field. The first tip for mastering your mindset for AI success is to embrace a growth mindset. AI is constantly evolving and changing, so it's important to adapt and learn new skills to stay ahead of the curve. By remaining open to new ideas and challenges, you can continue to grow and develop in this field. Next, it's crucial to cultivate a sense of curiosity and creativity. AI is all about problem-solving and innovation, so thinking outside the box and exploring new possibilities can lead to breakthroughs in your work. By embracing a mindset of curiosity and creativity, you can push the boundaries of what's possible in the world of AI. Remember, mastering your mindset for artificial intelligence is all about staying open to new possibilities, embracing challenges, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. With the right mindset, you can achieve great success in this exciting field. Thanks for watching, and keep dreaming big.